2, I'm at the corner. Right.
You can shut the car off and give me your license, registration, and insurance, please.
Put me on 83.
Just gotta let you know everything's being audio video recorded, right?
Yeah.
Reason for this.
The thing is, the car is new, so I don't really have the registration.
You have the temporary one that they give you with the template.
Yeah, and
so that's your registration, right?
Yeah.
The reason for the yours.
That kid was speeding so bad, he almost hit another kid in a bike.
I know. That's why I stopped him.
Another one? He almost hit me too.
Ma'am, that's why I stopped him. Have a nice night, okay? Yeah, that's why I'm stopping you for reckless driving, careless driving, speeding, and the light you ran, okay? You were doing at least 100 on Kennedy Boulevard. All right, man? You almost struck my car because I was making a right turn. All right? You don't have a driver's license?
I do. I mean, I have that for now. I'm still waiting for the new one to come in.
Okay, but do you have a driver's license?
Yeah, I do.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna use your stuff, huh? Yeah. It just says ID only, that's what I was asking.
Where do you see him coming from? Just flying up?
I was coming up from, what is it, 67? Lights turning yellow, and he's, the next light on 66, red. Look, see? You can see something. All right, man. Here's your documents.
Thank you. I'm sorry, we're on a first date, me and him.
That's fine, but
Sorry.
almost killing each other is not the way to start on a first date.
Apartment because it just got really carried away. I'm sorry.
I know.
It's my fault. It's really my fault. I swear.
It's not your fault because if
No,
he gets
it
into an
is.
accident, it's his fault.
No, it's my fault.
Listen,
I was
you're getting 3 tickets. I could have gave you a lot more, okay? You're not even supposed to be driving at this time because you have a provisional license.
Oh my God.
So you're getting reckless. I didn't give you speeding. I'm giving you that break, all right? You got reckless, the traffic light that you ran, and for driving after hours. All right, man?
Thank you.
Get home safe. It's a 19, 3 issue.
Yes, I was.
Yo, this is the same kid. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
6-1. Paramedics are needed.
We're gonna need a crash team, sir.
Huh?
Crash team, we need a crash team. That's the same car I just had. Fatal. Down, man, like.
You just stopped that car?
Yeah, just hit him off with 3. Like,
Oh, that was the same car?
yeah, I told him, like, bro, slow down. I see, like, it's my fault, we're trying, it's not your fault. If you get into an accident.
You good though?
Yeah, it sucks. Yeah, that sucks.